Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to walk you through a powerful IAM compliance automation workflow built with n8n and AWS IAM APIs. So it automatically check for the IAM user without MFA device, sends warning via Slack, and even disable their access key if needed. So let's dive in. So the first step is the scheduler. So we're kicking off with the daily schedule that run this workflow every 24 hours. Of course, you can customize to like hourly or even like every minute. So this ensure we always up to date with our IAM security postures and no manual checks required. So step 2, get the user, right? Get the user. So this workflow fetch on the IAM user with using the built-in n8n nodes, and this will include everyone that's with potential access to your AWS environment. So step 3, get the MFA device. So because like we don't have the built-in n8n node for the MFA devices, so we use custom HTTP requests, and this will fetch the list of all IAM user MFA devices and MFA devices. So and then next step we will check the MFA device status. So like for each user, so we check the MFA status using the ListMFADevices, and then user with MFA device are skipped, and then ones though without MFA marked for their follow-up actions. So next step will be like alert, right? So we immediately send a warning message to Slack, notifying the securities or the DevOps team in the Slack channel that the user doesn't have the MFA anymore. So this add the visibilities and encourage for the fast actions. So and then at the same time, so we get the access key of the user, right? So we use the ListAccessKey API to pull the list of access key for the non-compliant users. So this access key allow the programmatically access to the AWS environment, so they are high risk if not protected by the MFA, right? And then in the next step, so we pass the list, right? We extract the access key ID, the status, and the creation date, the username, and then we filter out the access key that's already inactive, and we only process for the active key move forward. So in the next step, like we can like send a message to the like DevSecOps team or the advanced admin environment, the warning message and waiting for the approval. So this step is optional. You can go directly to Deactivate access key, or you can enable this step to get the approval before the Deactivate access key. And then so finally the Deactivate access key will using the UpdateAccessKey API to automatically deactivate the access key and tie to the non-compliant user. So this block the access instantly and enforcing the zero trust policy. So like this workflow will have you enforce the IAM security best practice without any manual overhead, right? And it's fully automated, auditable, and extensible. So perfect for DevOps team. So if you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, or try building on your own environments. And if you had any difficult, feel free to comment. And you can also follow me for more cloud automations building with n8n and AWS and the real world security use case. Thank you.